everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life, and today is Tiny Tuesday. I am hoping I can finish some today because I have not been able to finish any yet. So my randomizer money, there is none. Well, that's not true. There's some in my completed challenges, but this is my main source of having money in my randomizer. So we have 2 5s, so that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, and $34. So I am going to see if I can exchange out. Looks like I can. These 2 5s. So we don't have to worry about it in the game. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's take our tinies out. I'm just going to take this out and try to make this neat. Okay. And then I have some extras here. And yeah, let's see what we end up needing at the end. All right, so for our tinies today, I hope everyone's having a great Tuesday. Let's see. I have another Olympics one, so if you watched my Mini Mondays yesterday, you will be like, am I seeing things? Is that just tiny? It is. It's the same one, just tinier, because I really wanted to support the Olympics. So that's Budget with Tiffany. This is Hey K Budgets, Christmas and back to school, little hodgepodge. That's not the word I wanted. What's the word I want? Okay, we're just going to put it in the number 2 spot. So whatever we get today, I'll just put in this Christmas tree, and then whatever we get next Tuesday, we'll go in that Christmas tree. So look, another Olympics one with something I can't even fathom of doing. As I mentioned last week, I said I trip up curbs. I can't imagine trying to do that. And a lot of you replied back with, what complete athletes they are and how you also trip up things. So that made me feel a little bit better about myself. So I'll put that in the 1 spot. We have Bookish Mama Budgets. We just have $2 that we need with the little bunny on a unicycle. I don't know if that's coming up or if it's washed out. So that'll go, ooh, I shouldn't put it in the, well, I'm going to put it in the 3 spot. And then our beautiful budgets, this cute little, I think I called it a dinosaur. No, I called it something else. My brain's not working with words. This is a cute little dinosaur with his little dinosaur eggs. So I'm going to put that in the 4 spot. And then Becca Budget 777. Look at how cute he is. So this needs a bunch. It saves 25 when we're all done. And I'm going to put that in the 6 spot. I'm going to scoot that down a little bit so we have room for the dollar bills. And I've got a Tina right here. And I've got $34. So I hope we can do some things here. Scooch that. Scooch and scooch. Scoochy scooch. Okay. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go. Oh, it's same as, oh, wait, it's not. It's the same as Monday Minis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, except for each one gets $1. So I rolled a 1 and that gets $1. Dollar. So what's the weather doing where you guys are at? Is it starting to cool off? I can't remember whose video I was watching. It might have been Save with Judy. She was talking about a tree. That's not a 2. That's a 2. A tree that's by her house or something that is starting to like make her feel like it's fall. And I was like, I just look outside our yard and I'm like, okay, we don't have anything like that. Nothing. It's a bit. I live in Vegas, if you don't know. And it's still just hot. All right, come on, 4. Not 5, 4. Okay, that's 6. Yay, there it is. Okay, I don't remember what 5 is. Yeah, 5 is definitely done. And I think the one after it is also done. 6, 4, 4, 2, 6, 6, 6. Oh my goodness, 6. Come on, Tina. 4. I have 2 more dollars. 2. Last one. 4. All right. Clean up a smidge. All right, let's start with the Olympic one that I know finished. And then we'll pull out some tinies. All right, so we needed 4, but let's see what we got. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. So we need 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll set that one there. Let's see. Let's finish off with blue. Yay. So this should be $15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's not. Why did I do that? Don't mind me. 1, 2, 3, 4. I just filmed Mini Mondays, so I'm all confused. Okay, that 6 is for the new one. Okay, so the completed one goes here, and then we can put all of our money together here. But we have $6, so we need a new tiny. And I was going to use one of my little cozy tinies. You know what? I still might do that. So here's some of my cozy tinies. This is, I have this, it's a page of 4. It's cute tinies, 2 cute tinies and 2 cute cozy tinies. So this is on my Etsy and I believe my website as well. So I'm going to make each one of these $2. So 2, 4, and 6. Yay. Cozy. I just want to be cozy. That's it. All right, so we've got our beautiful budgets up next. We've got the cute little dinosaur eggs. And when we're done, we'll save 16. I don't know why I keep doing that. We need 5. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I did not think we were going to be able to do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Woohoo! Another one finished. All right, let's see. We've got a lot of tinies here. I'm also going to use another one of mine. Hashtag plug. Hashtag ad. But this one's free. Because I am in desperate need of fall weather and cozy things. I'm going to use... Oops, I took out 2. I didn't mean to. This is on my Ko-fi. This is one of my free ones. So there's a page of 6, and then I have 2 different pages. So there's some of my favorite things like 1 and 2. So I just want it to be fall. So I am going to pick this one, and let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I do that wrong? Oh, it doesn't get anything. Oh my gosh. Never mind. All good. So, nothing's getting anything for my favorite things. Whew, that was frightening. Okay. Becca budget 777. Cute little Dracula kid. All right, so today we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Ooh, so close. Had to double check. Now I'm second guessing things. So that is there. So we have 3 there and 3 here. So all's good. Okay, so up next we have Bookish Mama Budgets. Little bunny on the unicycle and an ornament. And we only needed $2. And that's exactly what we got. So yay for completing a third one. That's awesome. So I'm going to put these $2 in there and this one over here for a completed one. Now let's go back and get somebody else's because we're not promoting me anymore. Oh, this one's so pretty. We're going to do this one from Julie's Pages. Look at how pretty that is. Okay. So that doesn't get anything because I finished that one off exactly. That one doesn't get one and that one didn't get one. Okay, so I think we're done with the extras. Let's put this to the side. And let's see how much this Budget with Tiffany Olympic Hurdler got. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Got $4. So we have $6 more and we will be done with this one. Put that there. And then our Hey K budgets. Let's see how much we can put in that tree. So we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Also $4. So next week we'll be done with this one. Yay! So that was really good. All right, so we got new ones. So now we have these 3. So we have 15, 16, and 16. So now I can go into my Tiny Tuesday, which is my main envelope. And I can go 10, 10, and 10. And this one gets 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this one gets 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I just paid that out. And now I can just put all of my money that I have left over back in here because it goes with all of the tinies that we have going. These guys. All right, so now we will put the money in the randomizer, but let's do, oh, we get to do a 3 ding cha-ching. That's pretty fun. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, let's do the 3 ding cha-ching. Woohoo, that was fun. I love when we get to do that. Okay, so now these guys are going to go in my completed savings challenges because I like to keep track when I'm pulling out all of my completed savings challenges at the end of the month or beginning of next month. I still like to see these in there, even though all the money is technically here in the randomizer. So let's see how much we got today for the randomizer because I don't have anything else in there. I know a couple of my completed savings challenges I think I put to the randomizer, and I will have some completed stuff in my binder at the end of the month that I pull out for at the end of every month no matter what. So we have 10, 15, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, $47. Oh, and I do have some Letterbucks. I think I finished at least 2 Letterbucks, so that's another $50. So, perfect. And that is a wrap on another Tiny Tuesday. So thank you so much for being here. And I hope you guys have an awesome week. And don't forget, I have my game night that I do live on Thursday evenings, 5:15 Pacific and 8:15 Eastern. And yeah, just come hang out. Everyone's really cool and get to know people, and everyone's super supportive. So it would be awesome if you could join us. So until next time, take care. Bye.